do that? Can you tell the story? And I know that that will be my last song because our time is getting low. And then we get each of you folks here, okay? But this song was a song recorded by my dad, John Keawe Hawaii, and his uncle, Joe Keawe. Now, both Uncle Joe and my dad possess what we call the falsetto voice. That means they have kane body, man body, but they talk wahine. Very strange when you live in Kalihi. So, the song is entitled Wai Oki Ani Ani. And they tossed a coin to see who was going to be boy and who was going to be wahine in the studio. Yeah, true story. My daddy won the toss. He got to be girl. Made me so proud. Okay, so Uncle Joe Keawe starts out the song. Uncle Joe went down. He got down. I just want you to know, members of my family, me, can you take our picture, Mary? Stop. Sound like we in heat yet. Let me dance with you. Don't worry, you go. They gotta go. We don't want that. Don't worry.
was getting soft
Yeah, thank
because
you.
you're older. Yeah, I know.